Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You remember that this could possibly be a smoke
The
alarm.
timing. The
You know,
timing.
this could.
Look at that, baby.
You remember the ladder could have potentially been called for a smoke alarm.
That's
going
not just
off?
the ladder. That's the tower, you
I
idiot.
bet you think the tower might have been called for a
Stay here.
smoke
Just
alarm
stay
going
out-
off.
Just stay on the sidewalk. Get out of the parking lot. I'll drive the car over here. Pick you guys up right here.
What do you think, Bert? The tower. You think the tower
Could
might
have been.
called for-
First, I had to see engine 1 on this road. I was walking with my autism driver, so I was on Stacy Lee. I got to see engine 1 down this way. That same spot.
As I came,
Yeah,
that
man.
came out. As me and Dad came out, I looked up the road. And I barely caught
And
it.
now,
Turn.
Tower 1. Yeah, man.
But you were usually if a car someone's going for engines
What
available.
a day for action.
You know, usually if the engine's available, I bet usually if the engine's available, the engine probably usually handles.
Now, if it's a box, engine probably is there too. The engine's probably sitting there as well, if you don't know. I'm thinking that's what might have happened.